In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Zoho in just 5 minutes. Let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. It can be any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or something else. In the search bar, type in Zoho to find the Zoho homepage. You'll typically see it as the first link in your search results. Go ahead and click on that. Alternatively, make sure to click on the link that includes zoho.com to ensure you're headed to the correct website. Once you're on the Zoho website, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. There should be a clear option to sign up. Just follow the prompts to create your account. For returning users, use your existing credentials to log in. After logging in, take a look at the top corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or avatar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Account. The option might also be labeled as Profile in the menu on the left-hand side, so keep an eye out for that. Next, look for the section labeled Email Address. Click on that to proceed. This is where you'll manage the email addresses associated with your Zoho account. The next step is to click on Add Email Address. This button is usually pretty easy to spot. Now, type in the new email address that you want to associate with your account. Once you've entered it correctly, click Add to continue. Now, Zoho will send a one-time password, or OTP, to the new email address you just added. Check your inbox for this email from Zoho. It might take a few moments to arrive. Once you receive it, enter the OTP into the space provided on your Zoho account page. Clicking Verify will confirm that you've successfully added the new email address. Once verification is done, return to your list of email addresses in your Zoho profile. You'll see the new email you added. Hover over it with your cursor and you'll see an option to Set as Primary Address. Click on that, and just like that, you've changed your primary email address in Zoho to your new one. And there you have it. In just a few short minutes, you've successfully updated your email address in Zoho. I hope you found this guide helpful and that everything was easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune in for more helpful tech tutorials.